Getting started with Xodo Mobile.
Xodo Mobile is a free app that makes it easy to annotate PDFs for study. After installing Xodo from your App Store, open the app and tap the plus button to add your PDF file. You can import documents from your device, email, or cloud storage. Once your PDF is loaded, you're ready to begin annotating.
Highlighting key text.
To highlight important information, tap the pencil icon, then select the Highlight tool. Drag your finger over the text you want to emphasize. Xodo lets you choose from different colors for color-coding topics. Highlights can be moved or removed easily by tapping them, making it simple to organize your study notes visually.
Adding comments and notes.
Xodo lets you add detailed comments to any part of your PDF. Tap and hold where you want to add a note, then choose the comment or sticky note tool. Type your notes or thoughts directly into the pop-up box. This feature is perfect for summarizing concepts, asking yourself questions, or marking sections for review.
Drawing and marking up PDFs.
Use the freehand drawing tool to underline, circle, or draw on your PDF pages. Tap the pencil or shapes icon, pick your desired color and pen width, and start marking up diagrams, charts, or key terms. This is especially helpful for visual learners who like to sketch ideas or add handwritten emphasis to study materials.
Saving and sharing your annotations.
After annotating, you can save your PDF with all changes included. Tap the Save icon, and your edited file will be stored with your updates. Xodo also lets you easily share annotated PDFs via email or cloud services, making it simple to collaborate with classmates or access your study notes across devices.